Hello, this is Hassan from Hassan98. Today I will discuss about theme installation. I have just created a new gig on Fiverr on WordPress theme installation. In this gig I will install your WordPress theme like demo, and I install plugins and demo content important if you provide me that. I have 3 packages, one premium, standard and basic. Basic start from 5, standard 50 and premium 100. In my basic package, theme installation and import demo content if you provide me. And standard package install theme WordPress and plugins and import demo content. In premium package I will install WordPress theme, plugins and demo logo, site name and coming page what you upload next. What you will need to provide me? You will need to provide me your website access, theme and demo content or full theme package, FTP or control panel login. I have worked with many themes like this, and I will also support AdSense, Facebook, Instagram, like LinkedIn, Twitter, WordPress, SEO. This plugin will install in your WordPress. This is my Fiverr link. I will provide it in my description. I will complete your project as fast as possible. Thank you watching my video. I hope you will contact me on Fiverr. See you in next video. Thank you.